So hey guys, my name is Alex. So you want to use Seedance 2.5 100% free and create these types of insanely realistic AI videos you've been seeing everywhere. But here's the problem. A lot of the videos you see online make it look like you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars in credits just to get results like this. And honestly, I wasted a lot of time looking for a way around that. So last night, I decided to actually dig through some open source tools, websites, and different Seedance workflows to see if there was any way to use Seedance 2.5 100% free and realistically create full 30-second videos. And I think I found something pretty interesting. These are some of the text-to-video generations I made 100% free using the workflow I found. And these aren't some random clips I downloaded from the internet. I generated them myself, 100% free. But while I was searching for ways to get access, I came across something I honestly didn't expect. I found this ongoing event from TopView called the 30s Challenge. And here's where it gets interesting. They're giving away up to 8,000 TopView credits, and there's a $15,000 cash prize pool. So basically, you can create your own 30-second AI video using Seedance 2.5 with free credits. And if you win, you can get up to $10,000. I'll show you exactly how this works, where I found the Seedance 2.5 access, how I'm creating these videos, and how you can enter the challenge yourself. So let's jump into my screen and actually test what Seedance 2.5 can do. So click the link in my video description and you'll land on TopView AI. Now you'll see the Seedance 2.5 option right here. But before clicking on Seedance 2.5, make sure you sign up with your Gmail account on TopView. After signing up, you'll see this simple interface for generating text-to-video using Seedance 2.5 and Seedance 2.0. But before I generate anything, I want you to look at this. It's mentioning Seedance 2.5, 60 days unlimited access. Click on that, and you'll be taken to this interface. Here, you'll see three options: omni-reference, image-to-video, and text-to-video. We'll use text-to-video. Let's try something like this: 15-second cinematic realistic AI video. A zombie suddenly rushes through a lush green summer forest toward a female army soldier, and you can read the full prompt on your screen. I also mentioned the camera movement, environment, lighting, and overall atmosphere to get a more realistic result. After writing the prompt, you can change the aspect ratio here. You can also choose the duration, and we're going to try a 15-second video. As you know, Seedance 2.5 also supports 1080p resolution, but for this test, we'll go with 720p. Now let's hit Generate. As you can see, it's starting the generation. I know a lot of you are probably wondering right now, how did I get these free credits and access to Seedance 2.5? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how it works after we see this result. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you how you can claim up to 8,000 free TopView credits for this challenge, so be patient. Finally, the video is done. Let's play it and see what TopView AI can actually do. Bro, this is actually amazing. Did you guys watch The Walking Dead? Personally, I watched the series, and honestly, look at this. I'm not saying this is literally Netflix-level production, but just look at the sound, the slow motion, the zombie movement, the atmosphere, and the overall cinematic feeling. And this was generated with AI. Now just imagine what happens when we generate a full 30-second video with this level of quality. This is getting crazy, guys. Also, I created this slow-motion action video using TopView AI's Film Studio. Let me quickly show you how it works. Just go back to the TopView AI homepage, click Film Studio from the left sidebar, and then hit Create Project. This is my previously generated project. Here, you can see the complete workflow, from generating the assets like the character, environment, and rifle, all the way to the final 30-second video. We've also created a dedicated video covering this entire workflow. Just click the I button to watch it and understand how TopView Film Studio completes the entire production process, step by step. Now, let's play this and see the level of production you can create. Now let's go back to the homepage, and as you can see, I currently have 600 credits showing here on TopView AI. So now, let's talk about how you can get the free credits and access for yourself. Now let me quickly show you how you can apply for the free TopView credits. Just click on Creator Challenge in the left corner, and you'll see the TopView 30 Seconds Challenge with a $15,000 total cash prize pool and thousands of TopView credits available. Click on Apply for Credits and fill in your name, the email address where you want to receive the credits, and your Discord account if you have one. You can also add a screenshot of your profile to verify account ownership and then simply submit the form. And then TopView will give you free credits for creating your Seedance 2.5 videos for this challenge. But make sure you post those videos on social media and tag at TopView AI for brand awareness. That's it. So basically, TopView is running this creator challenge where you create your own 30-second AI video using Seedance 2.5, post it publicly on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or X, and submit your entry according to the challenge rules. For the cash prizes, there's a total prize pool of $15,000. The gold award is $10,000, silver is $2,000, and there are several $500 awards for bronze, creativity, storytelling, and visuals. And here's the interesting part. Your public views can also earn you TopView credits, from 100 credits at 10,000 plus views up to 2,000 credits at 1 million plus views. So you can create your Seedance 2.5 video, enter the challenge, compete for the cash prizes, and earn TopView credits from your views. I'll leave the link to this page in my video description, so make sure you read all the details and apply for your free credits. And make sure to subscribe for more free AI tools reviews and upcoming videos. And if you're planning to get unlimited Seedance 2.5 for your own creations, TopView's Ultra Yearly Plan currently includes 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 and 2.0, along with 365-day unlimited access to WAN 3.0, Minimax H3, and GPT Image 2. So go grab your free credits and start creating. And make sure you watch my next video on screen, where I'll show you how to use TopView Film Studio to create a complete Netflix-style series. I'll see you there.